This 2022 Jayco White Hawk 29BH2BDRM U-Dinette sofa slide DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, slide out, external shower, auxiliary battery, skylight, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco White Hawk 29BH2BDRM U-Dinette sofa slide DBL Bed Bunks is 7,295 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.